is remaking my tokenizer.
Nice. Wait, what? The whole thing?
Yeah.
Damn. It wasn't good enough, huh? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, just like you.
Ah.
Just like you.
I'm never good enough. I knew it. I would never be. It's not
You know
pleasing
it? Yeah.
you.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. That's pretty. Yeah, you summed it up pretty good. Okay.
Yeah, pretty good.
Let's see. Why is there no? Right, I didn't start the StreamFIghter. Hello. Hello. Uh-oh.
Hello.
I forgot that I have to always do that stuff.
Yet you always have to
I always have to
Third. Yes.
How dare you?
How dare I? Yeah, I just dare.
How dare you dare? I trusted you.
I dare. I dare you to become good.
Hey, come on, let's not do such big dares, bro.
My bad.
Yeah, that's right. Why is this one always the wrong? Hell yeah. Back. Yes.
That's interesting.
I think. Okay. T-Chef told me that he might have an idea of what could be wrong with the thing.
What's wrong?
You.
Yeah, I mean, except that.
Fuck, I forgot. He said that apparently on which line was it? He said. Solution to the swaption. I don't know how to update the GitHub progress, but there right now you're calling render recreate swaption in line 128. I think it's the old function, and its implementation doesn't recreate swaption. Shouldn't you call from swaption.sig? No. Okay, I'm supposed to. No. It should be correct. I think. I mean, unless if I have changed something, but it should be from there. Let's see, what do we call? We do call.
I think you've changed all the things.
No, because it does call recreate swaption, which calls swaption recreate. So it should be fine. Just gonna do that. Then okay, that sucks. I was hoping that would have been the issue. We're gonna do a build watch, and we're gonna start another one. Take it over to here and do a space time start. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna soup. So, and now I think magically don't break anymore.
Wow, that's crazy.
Okay, whatever. It's cool like that, you know. Can I actually not make it? Nope. It seems to be fine. That's crazy. And another thing we can do This is what I wanted to do yesterday, just to show something cool. Well, fuck, maybe we should restart it because the resolution is fucked. No, now it's crashed. Look, I don't understand why. It looks by chance if the application feels like it does something right on initialization or something. I don't get it. Now it's consistent again. It's like if I restart the computer.
You don't get it?
Yeah, I don't get it. Is it? Could it be? No, it's persistent again. I don't know. It's so weird. Okay, it doesn't matter. It does matter, but I don't know how to fix it now because it's so stupid. Exactly. Hell gets it. He understands how stupid. This is so unoptimized. What?
He knows.
He knows. He knows. But then we can do this, and it should just. Did it crash? No. Wait. Oh wait, which branch am I on?
The bad one?
It should be the right one. So it should have. But I'm not running this thing. That's why. I was like, it should update, but didn't do it. And then we go in here and do the watch. Bam! Discord, so I should go. What's up with you, Hal? Why are you so mean?
Huh?
Hal is just saying mean stuff for no reason. Doesn't justify, he's just being rude.
Oh, what is he saying?
He's telling me to give up.
Oh yeah, I give up.
What the fuck? Well, you have reasons to tell me to do it. He's just rude for no reason, alright?
Oh, what are my reasons?
Being rude.
Ah, yes, that one.
It's a pretty good reason if you ask me.
I guess.
I wonder where should I put this? Definitely inside of render or somewhere. Oh, hold on, what the fuck? Am I blind? I'm not. What? Where are all the files at?
You're blind.
Well, inside of Vulkan, yeah, right there. Okay. So. This is just a mesh, but now I'm wondering if I should do a material class, I guess. That's just a render object. It's kind of awkward, to be honest. And a material pipeline, I guess it kind of makes sense. Maybe? I guess I could create a material like they do, and then rendable. I think I will not do that though. Yo, what's up, T-Chef?
Is it T-Chef? With the T?
Yeah, by the way, I stopped the application and restarted it, and then the recreation doesn't work anymore. It works the first time I run it, and it breaks. Which doesn't make any fucking sense. Maybe it starts it different, like sometimes.
Great.
I don't know. Like, it's just weird. I don't know how to fix it. I can't be stuck on it anymore. It's a small fix somewhere. Right, I wanted to do one thing, actually. Which was to... If recreation happens, I'm gonna try. What happens if I just do the std? Is it thread.sleep? What is it called? Yeah, sleep. and then sleep for 1,000 nanoseconds. Is that crazy enough to work? Nah, it's not crazy enough to work.
You're crazy.
Thank you. Maybe we do 100. That's 1,000. No, that's 100. Fuck do I? Nah, it still breaks. Fuck. What if I switch the order? I do this. Wait, I have it in the wrong spot. I'm so damn stupid. Oh my god. No. Okay. Easy. Yeah, okay. So adding a bit of sleep seems to have been fine. A little bit of problem there, but okay, so a little bit of sleep. Just sleep for a little while and I guess it's something with my synchronization, but it's so weird because my synchronization, I'm literally telling for the GPU to wait. Okay, that's not enough. I'm telling the GPU to don't do anything, just shut the fuck up and wait until we have recreated a swap and let's just use it.
He doesn't want to.
Okay, that's not enough either.
Yeah, I mean, that's what you're supposed to do, right?
I hate this. This is bullshit. Okay, nah, I didn't fix it. It was just one of those coincidence moments where it just worked for no reason at all. I don't understand how this even can, like... Why? I don't know, bro. This is just crazy. I tried, okay? I tried. I genuinely tried. But it just doesn't want to recreate it in a good way. Where did everything go? Oh, I could do that? That's crazy. Anyways, recreate. Could it be... No, that couldn't be it. Don't know. I genuinely don't know. Because I'm telling it to wait. But it doesn't wait. It's like, nope, I'm not going to. I'm like, oh, okay. Or should I do it in here instead? That if it's... What if... No, because I cannot do it from here because I have to do it from the outside. What if... What if I do it immediately after I try to drop? Because that's the only time I can get that it should. And that shouldn't matter. Okay, and I think it's just one of those coincidence moments again that it works. If I restart it, it should break again. Yep. Where do you determine if it breaks? Wait, how do you determine if... What? Don't you see this? What do you mean? It's something weird where it says that the requested image extent is this does not match the surface, which it doesn't. But the thing is that if it doesn't do it, like, I don't know, marking swap chain out of date. It's like, yeah, duh, you do it, and then I catch it through the... Wait, I cannot access it through there. No, I cannot. I have to go through here. But that's so stupid because I'm like, if acquired is out of date, then put it through and return. I shouldn't even do anything, but yet it proceeds. It's like, why? Why would you do that? Or is, am I supposed to check for another, like, flag or something? I have no idea. Is there another, like, can it flag for something else? I don't think it can. Or can it? But wait, they do it also in here. Should I do it also at the end? %Q, they check Chronos out of it. Maybe that's... I don't think I do that. Maybe try... I am on Waylander, what do you mean? Oh wait, I do it here also. I didn't just remember that I did it. Ha ha ha, funny. But they just... Oh wait, they returned without incrementing the number. Is that actually the right way to do it? That sounds so weird. Because I feel like now you should have used this number up, so you shouldn't try to use it again. Maybe. Okay, that was just a coincidence, okay? Look at this. Yeah. Ah!
You're a coincidence.
Thanks. Well, aren't we all?
No, I ain't.
You were planned. You were God's plan.
I wasn't. I just am. Like, I am God, you know.
You are God?
Yeah.
You're a crazy mother God.
That's crazy.
Crazy? I was crazy once. They wait for the fence, they clear and flush.
Crazy? I am crazy.
Crazy? I am crazy, sure. I get current
Yeah, of course.
frame. I do wait. Oh, hold on. Yeah, but reset fence, that's kind of the... Yeah, but then the current frame still needs to be the same. I think. Doesn't matter. Print out the width and height of the swap chain so you can see if they cache. What do you mean printing it out? Like, at what point? On the presenting or? Wait, you can. Oh wait, no. Because it's complaining about the here. Wait. No, wait. Okay, that's. Don't worry about it. Video profile format not supported. What the fuck? Try render. Video profile format not supported. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Ah, yeah, but these don't worry about these ones. These are just allocations that breaks because of it now. It's so strange, and I don't know if I want to care about trying to fix it because it's so random. Like I cannot figure out why. EK images. Are you using Exponent? No. I do use it for the render docs, I think, though. But wait, load there. Yeah, if I'm on render docs, then I use it, and then it crashes as well. Amazing. Stupid. Ah, there it broke. Right. Good. And it doesn't say why. There's at least no valid reason for why it leaked. Weird. Okay, now it should crash. Well, I don't get the same information apparently. Oh yeah, because it doesn't run with any validation layer, so I cannot know why. That's true. You're creating the GLF context with X11. Am I?
Use my windowing library.
I'm using your GLFW.
It's the best of the best.
Oh, you mean your new one?
What? Yeah, my own one. Use that one.
You have a new... Does it... Damn. Is it better than this one that I'm currently using from you?
I mean, I would say it has a better API, but you probably shouldn't use it.
Okay. Oh yeah, here I do set platform to X11. Wayland. Where the fuck did my thing go?
Yo.
Application is not responding.
it's
No, that doesn't look good. It doesn't really scale that good either. I
Bro,
think
the stream has delay, bro. It's impossible.
Huh?
The stream on YouTube has 5 minutes delay. Yes, that's why I
Oh.
joined.
yeah, I drop like always like 65% of the frames or something like that.
65, you mean like 67?
Oh my god.
But wait, Lucas, what did you do since then now? Like, I'm right now the thing where I said that you should print the width and height of a swap chain.
Yeah, it's like, where should I print? Because where do you care about knowing it? Because it happens in multiple places. Like, at what point?
It doesn't really matter, right? Like, you can just, I guess, just do it in the while loop in general, like, because it should change if you resize it. If it, no wait, it shouldn't. No wait, should it change?
It should change. I don't understand why Wayland just sucks so much ass, because it has such a different behavior now when I render it through the Wayland. Which is strange, because I still I still do the rendering order correctly and call the right calls, but I don't know. Yeah, I mean, we could do is just
Wait, you
turn this off so we get a little bit easier to read. Oh my god. Pause. Oh, what the fuck? Safety. Pause. Can it just not do anything? I just want to see. Ah, come on. Please don't give me any. Okay, good. Wait, video profile format not supported. Have I been looking at the wrong error all the time?
Probably.
Help me. Oh fuck, just help me. I forgot to tell it what to do. Yeah, okay, do that. And at the same time, I will actually just search this. Well, that one might find something.
okay? I'm back.
Welcome back, I never knew you left.
Alright.
Yeah,
It's not much search
I went left for a sec. Wait, what's the state now? You need on Discord?
What?
Can you stream on Discord?
Am I not streaming on Discord? Harold, how could you not tell me
Nope.
this?
I was busy.
Yeah, I think he's cooking right now.
Something out of the usual.
Yeah, sure.
When acquiring images or presenting, if you get suboptimal, recreate it using update. It says I should use current extent, but I think I do that. But should I also do it for suboptimal? This is relative Vulkan video. It means that the codex profile format you requested is not supported by GPU drive. Reason. Okay. That's weird. Should I also do it for this thing? I don't know if that should really help anything at all.
I think it does return suboptimal if you change it. Like if you change the size, for example.
Maybe. Maybe. Well, we can. Wait, can I just pipe right? vk.c. I can do this in SIG, right? I hope I can do this in SIG. And then we'll go here and also pipe it in here. Ah, wait, but then I tell it that doesn't work. I have to. I have to do it in the other. What am I trying to do here? I cannot pipe it like that because then it will not be equal. I have to take the result and pipe that with the ands of these, right? Like this. But how do you do bit masking in see, can I do this where I just wait, but now wait, I have to like check and it. Yeah, I have to and this one with these two. Because I will take the bits of those and then I will ask if no wait. Because now I need to check every. How the fuck am I thinking right now? Or I could just check that all of them.
I think you ain't thinking.
Yeah, I'm not thinking really, am I now?
I know you're not thinking.
Hmm.
You never do.
Hey, come on now. I sometimes think. When it's not mandatory.
Nah.
Yeah. Thinking is overrated, you know? Don't think. Just do. That's the way.
Exactly. That's what I've been saying all along, though.
Okay, actually, I'm lost now. How is this done correctly in Sig? But come on, I want to use the bit upper clean one-liner. No, come on, bro. If you want it even cleaner, oh my god. So I cannot use bit or yeah, that's so. No, that should still be fine. Okay, whatever. What? Percent results is equal to that. And how do you? Oh no, wait. How do I jump to the end, the beginning of a function?
You don't.
Yeah, I always don't know. And then in here, or wire, let me do that. Yes, it builds. Coincidence, right? No? Okay, it can happen 2 times in a row, but not 3 times. Okay, it can happen 3 times in a row, but not 4 times. Ah, I told you. Fuck. Okay, now it's completely broken. Damn it. Oh no, my whole stream froze. Shit.
So wait, what, your program is crashing because of it?
The what now? Or is
Your
it just...
program is crashing because of it?
Yeah, it's crashing because if the swap chain does not match, or if the image does not match the surface, you know, it will immediately just exit because you cannot draw an image that doesn't fit into a thing. I think if it's smaller you can draw it, but not if it's larger. Which it's not in this case. Okay, I guess you can't draw it at all. Wrong thing. Okay, wait, what is this one? Blit image. Ah, but that's because it's so wrong now. It's horrendously wrong. And that's not good. We would like it to not be this wrong. I would just like to get the materials in, but I don't know, like, this doesn't make sense. Like, it's literally there on the first line, and it's like the first thing it does before proceeding to use the thing is like, are you out of date? Okay, then we're not gonna render anything. But yet somehow it goes past and uses the whole thing. I don't understand how. Well, there was one thing actually, which may be the issue, but I don't think it would be, because if we get surface here, and then we get all of these capabilities. Right, and then we have capabilities here, and then extent. If capabilities current extent is not equal, then I should be able to use the capabilities extent if they are not something completely absurd, because that's usually what they do. But if they're not, I think I'm supposed to do this where I take the minimum between the thing that is the surface and then the capabilities, and then take the minimum of these two, or the maximum of the... What if I just don't do this, and instead I just say that I'm always gonna use the capabilities one? Which is kind of pointless, because why am I then passing in width and height if I'm not gonna use them? Right? That's just stupid. This...
But you are using
might...
them, right? Oh,
yeah,
okay.
this might not compile because I'm not... okay. Yeah, no, that's not it. But that's the only thing I could think of. Like, yeah, this is so dumb. I don't understand. Destination region is wider than if you're blipping, but the destination image is only. I need to check, because this could also help me maybe understand why it has the... what am I trying to do? Copy. Here, copy the image, this thing. Okay. So... yeah, it's taking... and then it's taking the source. So the source image width and height. And it does for both of these, which are wrong. What Vulkan requires is that destination offset is smaller than destination offset 1. Wait, what? Destination width. What? What is this thing referring to? Is it just the actual surface, or what is that destination width referring to? Or do they use this destination? Here. Offset X. Oh, they take the minimum between... okay. Yes. But... that shouldn't still be an issue. Maybe... let's see, what do? I do pass source, image, extent. They are the same. So this shouldn't be a problem. I'm just gonna try to do something funny, where I'm just gonna say lol. I think this should be fine though, even though it's not actual the size, but I think it can still render it. I'm not sure. We will find out. We'll do 200 on this one. Oh no, that did not work. Oh yeah, you can't really do that like that. Lol.
Wait, by the way, if you encounter out of date, you set a flag to true, and when are you recreating?
So it happens.
Never.
So if I encounter out of date, set true, and I immediately return, so I will not try to render anything, right? And then in the main here's when I try to render. So now it returns out of this thing, and it will still accumulate the frame. And then I go here, and then it checks the flag, and it says, okay, it's true. I get the current window size. I call recreate swap chain, and then I recreate it with the new width and height, and then I set it back to false. And I will go back here, and if it has been resized again, it will not render. It will check the flag and recreate it again, and that happens until it's valid to use for rendering. Then it will actually render. But yet somehow it managed to get through.
Yeah, maybe just like it should work, but maybe just try recreating the swap chain directly, like directly when you encounter it. It should be the same, but I don't know.
The thing is, I can't do it because I don't have access to the window inside of the renderer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see.
I guess I could pass it in, but that's like, I'm also like, I shouldn't need to do it. I don't think the renderer should have direct access to the window. Maybe, but I feel like that's kind of eh. And it shouldn't even matter, it should still be the same behavior. The only place where this could happen if for some reason the window is being resized and the thing is still like using some, but then it's like it's already on the GPU, and then I can't do anything about it if it's because then it's already GPU processing the data and rendering it. I cannot, when the window is being resized and it's being rendered, then I cannot do anything about it because that's not my control anymore. Or can I? It's so dumb, so strange, because it doesn't make sense to me. It's like, this should be perfect. But obviously it's not. The only other thing I could think of is that, let's see here.
Wait, and for the swap chain, when you recreate it, don't you also need to recreate the image views?
Wait, is it because yeah, I don't have image views.
Wait, you totally don't have image views.
Yeah, or I do have for textures, but I don't have for the actual images. Like, I just have Vulkan images and that's it.
Damn.
Yeah.
How does that even work?
Oh wait, that's a lie. Actually, I do have for the draw image has. Wait, here, draw image. So the draw image is this thing, my own image, and that thing has should have image view. Wait, hold on. Image extend, image view here. Wait, but
Okay,
do I need to? Because I only need one draw image because it can only draw at one at a time. Cannot draw multiple ones anyways, so it's fine. But do I need
but
to?
are you recreating the image view?
I'm not. But how does anything work then? Why does it work sometimes? I'm not. I don't think I recreate the image view. Hold on. Yeah, I don't think I am. No, I'm definitely not doing that. Yeah, that could be. That could be, yeah. Well, that's, I thought it was enough that I just went, you know... Oh, okay, maybe it's not. Shit. But then I wonder, should...
Too hard undo.
What are you saying?
In
You're under the water.
image, right?
Please help me.
In the recreate function, you have access.
Sorry, again, I cannot hear you.
Thing, so.
What are you using?
My God, I'm not forward, I can't do anything.
He's under the water.
He's under the water.
But why is my name everywhere? Like if I join on PC, bro, it cuts out. Like, bro.
Bro's mic is not acting.
I think it's acting up, bro, if anything.
Yeah.
Or it's
is.
acting down. It's acting down, to be honest. It's very low volume.
Yeah,
Okay, wait, is it working now?
I think maybe.
maybe.
Okay. So Lucas, when we create the image view in the recreate swap chain,
Do I? Yeah. Wait, I'm thinking. Because this is literally a whole image class or class structure, bro. Too much OOP has gone through me lately. I'm wondering if I should have a. Should I just completely deinitialize it and reinitialize it? Maybe. But that might be a
yeah.
bit of an overkill, or. Because then I will have to.
it should be fine.
I have to destroy like the image view, the allocation, and well, these ones will just be reassigned. Again, you're under the water. But I guess we can do that. We can deinit the depth and draw image and see how that goes. So weird though. I wonder what did they do? Did they even do that? I don't think they did. They do just pass it. Oh wait, no, I don't need. Oh, no, that's fine. It's just pointers. Because I don't keep. I try to avoid keeping more references to the same pointer. If something needs some reference to something, I always pass it, unless if it's the structure itself is the owner of that memory address. I hate like the concept in C++, for example, of share pointers. It's like only one thing should own the damn thing, because if you destroy it somewhere, you don't want to be concerned about something else gonna happen. Well, share pointer kind of keeps so it doesn't happen. But
Bro,
still,
I didn't even know that shit like existed.
So I think I should be fine, because I always try, or I always do it. Like I always follow that philosophy that there shouldn't be anything else owning that damn memory. So I should be able to just destroy it and we should be fine. Because if it's not that, then I have something fundamentally wrong in the code base. Not that I do have the wrong kind of like, what is it called? What is the, not syntax? Harold, help me. The way I type variable names.
Style? Oh, naming?
Yeah.
Yeah, your naming convention is actual trash.
Yeah.
We need Damon's intern for this one.
Let's see. Actually, let's see. I want to follow through with their recreation of the swap chain. Init destroy. Swap chain, destroy swap chain here. Now that's just a cleanup, but I can still find it through this. Chapter 3 here. And no. Is it just resize? Resize swap chain. So here they do call the destroy, which just goes through and then they destroy each image view. But they use image view for a different reason. It's for GUI, alright? I don't care about that. And then they create their swap chain, right? But in here, swap chain builder. They don't recreate their draw image at all, which I find super strange. Why would I then have to do it? Because I'm pretty much following their same way of doing stuff. But hey, let's just try it.
Are they not?
Yeah, they're not doing it. But I mean,
maybe there are, like, because you can't really tell on their functions because, yeah, but I don't know. At least like the normal Vulkan tutorial says you should like recreate them.
you should.
Like at least that's what the Vulkan tutorial does.
Why is not? Okay, my key bindings are fucked now. Great. Okay, I will do. Oh my god. I need and then the device. Okay. The device. Device. That's capital letters. Device. And then I will do.
Okay, wait, white.
Hmm?
Ah, yes.
What is he under the water again?
It is under the water.
Damn. Okay, so I need to pass the VMA, the logical device, the format, the structure extent, and then some flags, mask, me. Fuck. Okay. I'll just actually I think I got the solution. I got the solution up here. I'm just gonna copy it. Why? Where do we have the draw image? There. Like that. Go down to here. Paste it in. We're not gonna use that. Instead, we're gonna use self dot draw image, initialize it, and right, it's have to be equal to try init. And in that case, we don't really need. I think we should be fine with this. Right, and we have to do self dot that. This self dot swap chain. Alright. Oh, that did not work. It just took longer to crash.
Ah, great. Guys, don't you like to abuse Sig so much that you're using a switch statement as your while loop?
That sounds pretty cool. Are you then using like
Yeah.
blocks or go-tos in your switch? What are you doing?
Yeah. yeah, basically. Yeah.
That's a crazy while.
Yeah, you can use like continue and break on it. Yeah. I'm gonna show you something in a bit, and
It's gonna be
yeah,
beautiful,
my
I think,
abuse of
right?
it. Yeah, absolutely.
Why? Why?
What are you gay?
What are you gay?
Yes.
Come on, why does this has to be like this? Why can it just not just... Okay, guys, I shouldn't probably be trying to figure this shit out right now. I should actually be trying to get those damn textures. But it would be nice. I don't understand. Like, it was... Why isn't my Neom at all working? Okay, thank God. Okay, we're leaving it. We're leaving it. We're moving forward. Fuck that shit. I'm done. I'm gonna try to do the textures now. Materials, that was the thing. We're gonna add it there, I think. Yes. So we're gonna do... Was it just E? And then we're gonna go...
E.
Source...
E.
What is it then? Renderer... And then Vulkan. And in here we're gonna create a file called... Just material. .sig. So... Yeah. And I'm gonna save it so it gets stored there. Look at that. Material! What? Okay, anyways. The struct itself is going to be material, yeah. And inside here we're gonna create a material pipeline and a material instance. Simple as that. So a struct, nice. We're gonna call it pipeline. That's gonna be so weird. Oh my god, greatest gooner. What's up? And inside of this, we're going to be using const. We're gonna take in. What are we gonna take in? We need a pipe. We need the actual pipeline. This is so weird to have a material and then call it material pipeline and then take pipeline into the whatever. You guys, yeah, guys understand. Y'all understand. We're gonna call it pipeline, lowercase, because we don't wanna miss it. Import.
Yes.
And then in here we wanna go through. What do we wanna go through? What? Renderer slash pipeline. Let's see. Am I? No, Vulkan. Wait, sorry. I'm tripping right now. I have to go back one step, right? Yeah. No, wait. My brain is not braining. Pipeline, that's sig. No, but want many views. Yeah, I don't want many views. I just want my one viewer. That's it, okay? So we're gonna take in the pipeline and then do we need anything else? Not at the moment. So, but I need the Vulkan. So const vk is equal to at import and then just Vulkan. Like so. Those are the things we'll be needing in this. And here we'll just create the pipeline. So we're gonna have a. I'm actually gonna call it pipeline. No, I cannot call it pipeline because this thing is that. And I cannot call it pipeline type. Material pipeline. No, I don't wanna call it that either. Shit pants. Okay, but doesn't VK? What can I do? VK pipe. But I cannot import Vulkan into it because that would also be weird. Can you please? Okay, it's okay. We'll just use this mesh. But then it's just Vulkan pipelines. It's not the actual pipelines. Okay, I think we are fine. We're fine. We're chilling. We're chilling. I can do this. This is fine. And I'm actually gonna call it that horrendous thing. vk pipeline, like so. And then we will have the layout. But why am I doing it like this if we'll... Let me go check one thing real quick. I already got... Ah, fuck's sake, I forget. Okay. Because I already got pipeline. Oh, no. Wait, was the point that you keep them as just pointers to the actual... No, fuck that. I ain't doing that. No. No, I refuse. Disgusting. Because then I could just use the compute or the graphics already. I'm not gonna be passing those things around. No. I already got pipelines for that. I could do a material instance thing. That I'm fine with. So just a material instance. That's okay. And then we'll just take const pipe line and we'll import pipeline sig. Yeah, that will do. And then but then I cannot call it that. But then it's in conflict with that. I will call it instance material pipeline. No, that will also be instance material pipeline. Material pipeline. Okay, I will just call it uppercase, just because it's so hard always to see what the fuck is going on over here. I will call it, or I could call it handle. Nah. Pipeline. Pipeline. What? Okay, I think this one will always be just how should I do this in a smart way? Well, it's kind of like this. I'm gonna replace either way. I'm just going back and forth. Am I not? Okay. Then it's okay. Okay, fuck. Give me this shit. We're just gonna take it. And then we're going to... Right, that's not how we do it. Oh, I'm just making it worse. I'm a bit unsure. Okay. Struct, and then we're gonna call it... We are in here, we're gonna call it just pipeline. Pipeline. And it's a struct, which will have VK pipeline. So, pipeline. VK pipeline. Then we will have a layout. VK pipeline layout. Loan. Layout like so. And then we'll have a struct for the material instance. And that will just be pipeline. That's such a pipeline. I think why do that then? Why not just... I'm just gonna do this for now. I don't see a direct idea why I would do that, so I'm not gonna do it. I mean, if you want to switch them out, but I'm like, it still looks ugly. Dude, that game again, what? AFK, what game? So we have that, and then we'll have the descriptor set. So material set. Material instance. Descriptor set. I think I will call it descriptor set. It makes more sense for me. Script. So, and then they will have another structure, which they didn't talk about. Here. Wow, the speed is so fast. Material pass this thing. That's just an enum. Material, just it's already in here, so I can just. Harold, what is the convention for enums? Are they also like types? So capital.
Lowercase.
They're lowercase, but they're snake case. How dare you? That's so cursed. Okay.
Oh no. The name is a type. Yeah. No, the fields are snake case.
But that's always the case. Or
yeah.
do I have to assign them, or can I just do like main colors, comma?
You can just leave them.
Okay.
Yeah, you can just leave them.
Transparent and other. Okay.
What do you mean other?
Ah, the fuck do I know?
Okay. You can also have enums that don't have to fit into exactly those things for having an underscore, you know.
What?
Yeah, nah, you won't get it.
No, apparently I won't. I think it was pretty much it then. It's a render object that I still need. Where should I put it? I will put it in the big ass renderer for now. Like I do with all of the other things that I don't know to do. Links, TMP, temporary. Okay. To-do. Yeah. I don't think it makes sense to have it in here, but why is there a check mark connected? Ah, okay. Anyways, we'll just take this and put it also in here in the good old struct render object. I think I will call it a render node, maybe. But it's fine. Wait, but these are literally, aren't they just the meshes? Index buffer, vertex address, indices count. Yeah. Okay, but the mesh should not have anything to do with a transform, that's true. Well, then again, why would you ever have a mesh if you don't have a transform on it? But it has index count. I feel like this could fit pretty well in here. As being... But maybe yeah, it should be more or less just a renderable object, but I think still that we could just take this, what we already got, because we got the buffer, the vertex buffer, the index buffer, we got the indices count. We just need to add a first index. Material, I guess, could be associated, but I think that could be separate, and a transform. Yeah, so I will just do this instead. I will add another field called first index. And if it's wrong, well, then we'll move it, no biggie. B32. I think it makes more sense. And I don't wanna, I don't know why, I don't know even if they have such a thing as, I don't know if, did they create a mesh, like, thing, or they did just do something else? I think they didn't do it. What did they do? Mesh. Do they create a, they have an upload mesh, but that's not as, what do they do? They have destroy mesh buffer. I mean, they must. What are these meshes? Where do they come from? They come from test mesh. And where does test mesh come from? Test mesh. Where's the actual implementation of this? There it is. So they have mesh assets. Okay. Which is something else. Okay, I don't know. I guess it's kind of the same, but not really. Anyways. First index. I'm just gonna put it hardcoded to 0 because at the moment I don't really have anything else that shouldn't be it. And then we can go back to the renderer, and in here, render object. So we will have the mesh, which I will just call mesh, which will be a VK mesh, like so. Mesh. And then we will have a transform, which will be a nmc matrix, and using f32. Whoa. 32. And finally we'll have the material, which we'll now have to import, but we'll take it through VK. Const what should I call it? Material instance? Material. I will just call it material because I will let it take care of all of the material stuff. So material.sig, like so. But it's not really a it's okay. Why is it? Whatever. I don't care. Fuck. Okay, then we can just material, and then we can call it just vk dot material dot in. No, it's not public, of course it's not public. Instance, like so. Very happy. So now we have that render object, which consists of those things, which will probably not be there because we're gonna start utilizing the ECS. I still have no idea about what the fuck that's supposed to be about, but we'll figure it out. And iRenderable. Well, we'll see how this stitches together soon enough. I added that, and then I added these things. Allocate color image material resource. Yeah, okay. I think I actually have to read in on how to do this with the GLTFC loader. GLTFC. Before I even try to, because I actually need to see, like, it doesn't look too bad. Like you can even parse a scene. GLTF result. Right. I mean, I guess it's fine. Okay, let's actually ChatGPT. Maybe it has some knowledge about this. Wow. If I am okay, I am following VK guide. What the fuck? GFTL, GLTF. But that seems for C++. Sick. Let's see. Yes, you can absolutely accomplish. Oh, okay, I wasn't very specific about that. TF does just loading this data and. Okay, and then you can. Okay. Oh, okay, so here are the equivalents. Okay. BR. Okay. Vulkan objects you create. Same. What do Gigaguide uses helper, AG, vector. Okay, don't care. I don't care. Mesh assets, materials, etc. And see, you will implement these structure manually. For example, material. Would I? But that's, I think now it's referring to these things. Where it's like, you have roughness, which takes 2 pipelines apparently. Yeah. But that's actually also a pretty good setup, not gonna lie. Huh. Might get back to that. Maybe. Probably not. But yeah, I think I will continue just doing this in the material and just doing a GLTF roughness. So I have this material instance, but now I'm like, so that's why they had the, wait, what? Why would you? Write material. Did I write a builder scripture writer? Because this thing returns a material instance. Oh my god, what are they doing? Ah. Okay. Let's see what was its idea. Okay. But it still does. Wait, what? Wait. Yeah. Okay. But here it keeps the. Hold on.
Yo.
Yo.
T-Chef.
It's T-Chef.
Is that under the water guy?
It's under the water guy. How are you doing, Mr. Under the Water?
Is my mic better now?
I think it is.
Yeah.
Okay. So how is it going, guys?
It's
Yes.
okay. I think. I'm still trying to find when it's they doing it such an object-oriented way. I'm like, how the because I don't know the full structure. I'm like actually asking, yeah, like how would one not do this in an OOP way?
You wouldn't.
You wouldn't. No,
Not
there's a way.
gonna lie.
Hmm?
Yeah, no, never mind. I think it isn't good, bro.
I still
Like, because I told you some time ago, the German guy who does the Vulkan tutorials, and he does it like in plain C, but when I think about it, he just puts everything in a huge context, so it doesn't really do the structure, you know.
Yeah, no. I mean, to be honest, It's my first time trying to load this GLTF. Maybe I will just make it wrong first, but it will at least work, and then I can make it right.
Make it wrong first. Oh no, you get it wrong. You're just gonna make it wrong.
That's my style, Harold. Don't.
Harold, how's it going for you?
Huh?
How's it going for you?
For me, I tried to make a tokenizer, but then it failed very miserably good. So I'm just gonna remake it again.
Damn.
Yeah, but it ain't too bad.
Okay, I'm gonna add that dance structure which day. So much insist, but I'm actually gonna call it material pipeline apparently. Yeah. It's gonna be kind of horrendous, but it's okay. It's okay.
It's not okay.
It's not okay. But it's okay.
Okay, guys, right back. I gotta hit my next set.
Okay.
Alright.
Good luck hitting your legs. Hope you don't miss.
Yeah, true.
You see, I'm a supportive friend. I got his back.
No?
Mm-hmm.
You got it? Where is it?
I lost it.
I'm back.
See, I got his
I
back.
see.
He's back now because I had it.
Welcome.
By the way, guys, I'm hearing you in my headphones while I'm doing the set. It's really funny.
That's crazy.
Crazy? I was crazy once.
Now.
I am crazy.
Where the fuck did the... Oh god. Pipeline need... Wait, pipeline. No, that's how it's supposed to be. What? Yeah. Alright. Ah! Wrong key. Always.
By the way, Lucas, are you still hitting?
What? It's under the water again, guys.
Are you still hitting?
What?
Are you still hitting?
If I'm still hitting the gym?
Are you still hitting the gym? He says.
Yeah, I'm still hitting the gym. I only go when I don't have school, so it's 2 times a week. And enough to maintain,
Okay.
but I don't really improve. Well, I guess I improve actually a little bit, but descriptor set material. That's such nah. I'm not gonna call it a script. Set layout. Take up for it. Transparent pipeline. That can still work. Opaque pipeline. That I am still okay with. Yeah, that's fine. Because it's already in the name. I'm not gonna do that twice. That's so dumb. I don't think it should be orange though. But it is. And then I had inside of this thing that have some. Okay. I don't know. I'm just gonna go with it. Fuck. Ah. Everything is falling apart. Bam. And then they call it color factors. And that's now I need them Z. Onset.
Namen für sie.
Yeah, no. Best math library for Sig. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The enthusiasm is crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're from the creator. I mean, it gets the job done.
Yeah. And what is
Yeah.
this?
Bro really hates having things as public.
Yeah, I do.
What?
Bro, why? I basically make like everything public.
I just make it public if it's supposed to be accessed outside. Otherwise, why would I make it public? You know, if I could,
I make it public
I
if
would.
I want
I
the
would
person to
write
be able to use
private
it.
if I could. Oh, private. Don't you like having
Lucas?
your structures
What
private? Private.
Sure,
Okay,
but
guys,
like, what the
next
hell is his
set.
name?
What?
Guys, next
Okay,
set.
good.
See ya, next set.
Oh, okay, next set. Good luck, good luck.
Crazy.
Yeah, remember, I hear what you say. You gotta motivate me, guys.
Okay.
You know?
Bam, T-shirt,
Okay.
those
Okay.
muscles looking hella
I'm
good.
gonna motivate him.
Look at those glutes. I don't know what is he straining legs? Yeah. Look at the glutes and quads. Mmm.
Yeah, anyways, Lucas, what is his name? Const blah blah blah. You know, underscore metallic roughness. What is this structure name, bro?
Oh my. But wait, how should I name? It was.
Bro, just name it camel case.
So bam. Happy.
Yeah, and also don't have GLF all uppercase, bro. It's no. I mean, you can, but no.
That looks hella cursed.
You're cursed.
Well, don't tell me something I already know. I should have a note.
Yeah,
Oh, I do have a note. Very nice. I'm actually just gonna yoink the comment that they do. Bam. What do you want it also to be a Vec for?
Hey, I'm back.
Welcome
I
back.
hit PR with your crazy motivation.
Yes, I know.
That's crazy.
Crazy? I was crazy
I'm
once.
training a pull by the way. No legs.
Let's see. They do an allocated image. That's not material resource. Why would I call
That's
it?
not good.
Wait, why am I calling it? I'm already in material struct. Why would I just? I'm just gonna do that. Constant resource, and then this is just that's just color image. For me, that would be the VK dot image. That's not what I want. I do have access to the VK, right? Ah, wait, but this is the Vulkan image, not. I will have to import. Const. Read. Image, that's it. Like so. And then I could do image like that. And then a color sampler, but that's just color sampler. Colors. VK color. What is that? Isn't this? Oh, it's just sampler. I'm stupid. Haha. And what the allocated image?
Wait now.
Wait, so they have two. Bruh. Okay, that's not good. Okay, and then this thing is like it's just color and then metal rough. What is that? Color sampler image, so then a metal rough image. Okay. So it's literally just whoa. Haha, no button. Haha, funny. Real funny. Wait. This. Damn it! Wait, then I should also be able to do was like this, no? It was wait, it was like this. No. Okay. What was the key binding? No. Back there. Okay, but I should be able to do. Why is it taking? Okay, wait. Then I can do this. Yes, kind of not. Oh my god. No. I don't wanna do. Can I do this? Why would you go there? No. Okay, I need to fix my multi-cursor. This is. How do I do multi-cursor with that?
You first you exit new Vim, then you open up VS Code.
Shut up. I'm gonna add this, right? Or I'm not gonna add this, to be honest. I'm gonna tell Claude to do it.
Really?
Hey, hey, can you hey, for the multi-cursor plugin, is there a way to select or to add more cursors by moving up or down? And if it isn't, I will ask it. I hope it understands what I'm trying to say, because I don't even know what I'm trying to say right now. I'll have to check for multi-cursor plugins configured to see if they're. Oh fuck it! Don't tell them. Okay, I should probably be more. Because we already have one, which is. Damn it. Which is already here multi-cursor. Yes, the multi-cursor plugin is already configured with the up-down cursor. It's add cursor down, Control P, add cursor up. So X. That's such a cursed place. But if it works, it works. Control
Okay,
X.
guys, next set.
Okay. Legs. You're talking legs now.
He's always talking legs.
Mm-hmm. All right. Middle row image, middle row sampler. That's fine. And then we have VK buffer, data buffer. This
Okay, I'm
feels
back.
like it's wrong.
I said next set and not
Next
legs.
set. Okay, next legs, next
That's
set.
crazy.
What's the difference? This feels like
Because I'm trading pool.
Okay. Chill. And then data buffer offsets. Okay, and then they have a descriptor writer. This I don't think I have as a. Do I have them? Descriptor. Okay, pool. I do have them in there. Okay, that's great. So then I can add them here. Const descriptor import this. Rider, but why would it be? That's okay. This I don't like at all. I don't like this, but let's do it. Need a rider, and then we're gonna have some functions here. We're gonna have build pipelines and clear a resource, and I'm gonna take all of these. Oh God! Oh, oh okay. Ooh. Again, I'm just making it work first, and then I will make it good. But declares are not allowed between containers. No. Right, I cannot do that. But this should be. Doesn't understand that. Yeah. So we'll have another one now. I think this one needs to be public though. And then it returns an error void. I will just put it to void and add the error later. And then, oh wait, I don't need to take in an engine. I will add the specific parameters later on. Turn, I don't think I need one. Expected type expression. Okay, boom. And this one, and then we'll take in a logical device. Let's see. Make a device and then return. Return a void for the moment. And FM, fuck or something. Alright, we'll do visual mode forward, cut that. Fuck, cut too much. Right. Now I'm doing it wrong again. Right. This is supposed to return the instance.
Bro, no, this is crazy.
Tell me about this crazy.
So I have made like 4 tokenizers and none of them worked, and I was like, I wonder why this ain't working. And it's because my token type doesn't have a hashtag. That's the entire reason.
That sounds like fun.
Big brain. Yeah.
Damn.
That's crazy.
Almost had it. Fuck! Okay, I got this now. Bam! Visual, forward, X. Fuck! Okay, fuck. Okay, wait. Da. Bam. 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 Fuck, again I did it. Undo. Fuck. Okay. Bang. Visual, forward. Cut. Yes. Something went wrong. Shit. Okay, I got this now. And then a little bit back. Yes, now it's correct. Then we cut it. Yes. Now we go here. And then we go here. Do a space. Then we escape it. Then we paste it. And now it's perfect. Nailed it. First try. Now we can just do vk.c. This will still just be where there are some extra spaces. And this is just called a path. Pass. And this is material resource. No, this is just called resource. And then the descriptor allocator growable. We're actually using that. And we're taking them in as references. And that's called pointers. Pointer. Well, I guess Sig will understand. But I will still do it like that. Growable, okay. So we're gonna do descriptor.growable. Was it anything? No, that's it. And it's gonna be a pointer of it as well. Bam! Then we're gonna return an instance. Pointer of an instance? Nah, just a material instance. Fuck do I know? Return. Oh, I cannot return anything really. VK? Expected. Right. All of these are missing one proof also. Bam. Wow, that's crazy. Unused function parameter. Yeah, don't worry about it. We'll fix it soon enough. Okay. And then this is the build pipelines. Now that's some crazy function there, right there. Holy shit. But this is where we need to. No, this is still just loading. What? Which should load shaders in. Okay, wait. Now I'm gonna make it awful. I'm just gonna make it work first, and then I will make it good. This is not the spot where I would like to load shaders, but I guess we'll do it for now, so I can just figure out how it's supposed to work. Also, time is getting a lot shit. We did not fix the thing, but at least I think we're back on track on trying to figure something new out. Okay, that's okay. A little bit of progress every day. I swear we'll 11 hours live streams.
Oh, it's so late.
But I'm waiting for the 11 hours live streams, you know. They will come back soon enough, as soon as I have passed.
Yeah, guys, this guy is gonna be on Christmas.
Yeah, I'm gonna be on.
This guy is gonna be on Christmas, bro. 24-hour live stream.
Should I?
Yeah, 24-hour live stream on Christmas. So, yeah, sure.
I'd
be there for like 10 minutes, probably.
I would die if I did it.
You would die, yeah. Perfect. Isn't that a great way to start your break?
No, but it's gonna be. I'm gonna have a lot of 11-hour streams, I think, because then I'm done with the maths and the physics, and I don't have to brain as much, you know. We'll get a lot of shit done during Christmas break.
You never brain.
I sometimes brain.
You never brain.
I wish that was a
I don't
brain.
think so.
Anyways, I think that will be it. We can't run the thing, but I will commit it anyways. Well, it's still not on the mast. I don't.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Started to add material. Hit push. Right. That's not my password. This is my password. Nobody saw that, okay? Alright. That will be it. A little bit of work. Slowly and shortly we'll have something new again. I don't know. This one is super weird, but that's a new way for me to look at the thing, I guess. Alright. Bye bye, good night, and I'll see you tomorrow again. Bye. Harold, hit it.
Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's